So here's the DMSS app. Can enhance the security management efficiency. You can watch real-time surveillance video and play them back anytime, anywhere via Wi-Fi or cellular networks. If a device alarm is triggered, the DMSS will immediately push an instant notification to you. So this app offers real-time live view. You can view real-time surveillance video from the added device anytime, anywhere to help you better monitor safety of your home. Video playback, you can quickly find the events you care about by that and event category. Instant alarm notification, you can subscribe to different alarm events according to your needs. When an event is triggered, you will immediately receive the message notification. Device sharing, you can share a device with family members for shared use. Alarm hub, you can add a variety of peripheral accessories to the alarm hub to provide warnings for potential theft. Visual intercom, you can add visual intercom devices. So quite a cool app and great product. As you can see, it's in top charts in lifestyle in US App Store. I think this is like Chinese app and Chinese software. But yeah, this is still quite good. And this is nice alternative to like Ring and some other companies. So that's where you have it. So for example, you can select US as your region, and then you can just start with signing up and then sign up with this account. And so that's how you get started, and that's how you then can link your devices and start using the app. Some people say that there are still some bugs with the so there are constantly some bugs, and the service is quite unstable, so either not able to connect or video not showing. So there are some issues, but overall most reviews are quite good. So what do you think of this app? Have you used it? Just leave your reviews in the comments below.